communications skills introduction. One of the most important soft skills that you should master as a procurement professional is the communication skills. I'm talking about on the professional level, on your social level, whether at work or outside of work. The key to success in any business or on any role that you are running is to have a great communications skills. So the communication skills are the abilities you use when you are giving and receiving different kind of information. So you are talking to your colleagues, you are talking to your internal stakeholders, external stakeholders, your requesters, your suppliers. You need to know how to communicate efficiently with all these parties. So this process involves listening, speaking, observing, and empathizing. Uh, Mastering this skill will help you a lot to reach out to all of these individuals whom you are dealing with in order to deliver a message or receive a message and act upon it. Very important soft skill that you should acquire, master, and practice while working as a procurement professional or in your real life. That's it for the introduction and definition. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next section.